Hey adventurers, welcome back to Adventure Jeep, your one-stop channel for everything Jeep, off-road gear, and rugged lifestyle accessories. Today, we're diving into something every Gladiator owner needs, the best bed covers for Jeep Gladiator. Whether you're hitting muddy trails, hauling camping gear, or just want to keep your truck bed secure and stylish, we've tested and reviewed the top 5 bed covers available on Amazon. Stay tuned till the end. You'll find out which cover gives the best value, durability, and weather protection for your Gladiator. Number 5. Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover. The Hard Trifold Tonneau Cover for Jeep Gladiator 2020-2022 offers a solid and cost-effective way to protect your truck bed without compromising on style or practicality. Designed for the 5FT 60.5-inch fleet-side bed, it features 3 reinforced aluminum panels wrapped in durable matte black coating, giving your truck a rugged yet polished look. Installation is refreshingly simple thanks to its clamp-on system, requiring no tools or drilling. The trifold design makes it easy to access your bed partially or fully, while the heavy-duty hinges ensure long-term reliability. Users highlight that it remains tight and stable even in rough weather and high-speed conditions. It's an excellent budget-friendly option for Jeep owners who need solid weather protection and quick bed access. This model delivers outstanding value for money, combining security, weatherproofing, and simple usability, ideal for both casual drivers and outdoor adventurers who need dependable bed coverage. Number 4. Rough Country Hard Roll-Up Tonneau Cover. The Rough Country Hard Roll-Up Tonneau Cover is one of the most advanced covers for the 2020-2025 Jeep Gladiator JT. Combining the strength of a hard cover with the convenience of a roll-up system, this product offers a perfect balance between protection, accessibility, and modern design. Constructed with aluminum slats and heavy-duty vinyl overlay, it provides maximum durability while maintaining a low, aerodynamic profile. The dual-latch locking system ensures enhanced security for your cargo, while the easy clamp-on installation means you won't need to drill holes or use special tools. It's weather-sealed to protect against water and dust intrusion, making it ideal for any environment, from city driving to off-road adventures. Many Jeep owners love its sleek look and sturdy feel, especially when hauling expensive camping or work gear. If you're seeking a tough yet flexible bed cover that complements your Gladiator's rugged build, the RC Hard Roll-Up is a top contender for long-term reliability. Number 3. Rough Country Soft Roll-Up Truck. The Rough Country Soft Roll-Up Bed Cover is an excellent choice for Jeep Gladiator owners seeking flexibility, simplicity, and affordability without sacrificing quality. Designed for the 2020-2025 Gladiator 5 bed, this cover uses high-grade weatherproof vinyl paired with durable aluminum side rails to offer dependable protection from rain, sun, and debris. Its roll-up mechanism allows for quick and tool-free access to the entire truck bed. Simply unlatch, roll, and secure it with built-in straps. Many users appreciate how it stays tight and quiet at highway speeds, while its low-profile design enhances the vehicle's sleek appearance. The lightweight build makes it easy for one person to install or remove in just minutes. This model strikes a great balance between value and performance, making it ideal for daily commuters and weekend adventurers alike. It's also compatible with most bed liners and accessories, adding more versatility for Jeep enthusiasts. Number 2. Rough Country Hard Trifold Truck. The Rough Country Hard Trifold Bed Cover is a premium-grade option for 2020-2024 Jeep Gladiator owners who want extra toughness and protection. This aluminum-framed hard tonneau cover combines strength, convenience, and weather resistance in one sleek package. The trifold design allows for partial or full bed access, while the durable black powder-coated panels add both style and long-term resilience. Users frequently praise how tight and secure the fit is. The integrated rubber seals prevent water or dust from entering the bed, keeping your gear dry and clean. Installation is quick and simple, requiring no tools or drilling, and the flip-up function allows for easy loading of larger cargo. It also improves fuel efficiency by reducing wind drag, making it a smart choice for highway travel. Ideal for those who regularly haul camping gear, tools, or off-road equipment, the RC Hard Trifold delivers superior durability with an elegant design that complements the Jeep Gladiator's rugged personality. Number 1. Alien Sunshade Jeep Gladiator Bed Cover. The Alien Sunshade Jeep Gladiator Bed Cover stands out as one of the most durable and stylish tonneau covers designed specifically for the 2020-2025 Jeep Gladiator. Made from premium weatherproof vinyl, this tri-fold soft bed cover provides solid protection from dust, rain, and UV rays while giving your truck a clean, aerodynamic look. Installation is incredibly straightforward, no drilling or special tools required. The aluminum frame structure ensures long-lasting stability, while the soft folding panels make it easy to access the full bed whenever needed. Many Jeep owners highlight its tight, no-flap fit, even at highway speeds, and its ability to maintain dryness during heavy rain. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or anyone who frequently loads gear, the Alien bed cover combines rugged utility with sleek aesthetics. It's also lightweight enough for one person to install and remove within minutes, which adds to its practicality for daily use. And that wraps up our roundup of the best bed covers for Jeep Gladiator. Which one was your favorite? Drop your pick in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest Jeep upgrades, product reviews, and adventure tips. Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and stay adventurous with Adventure Jeep.